This is a consumer alert brought to you by Sunset Ford of Sumner. The following is critical information on how the settlement of the United Auto Workers strike may affect you. Fact. Manufacturer labor costs will increase by a reported 25%. And when labor costs go up, retail prices go up. You can expect dramatic price increases from the manufacturer in the next few months. Fact. New vehicle inventories will likely be temporarily depleted. Remember COVID? Similar inventory shortages could occur, driving prices even higher. Simple economic laws of supply and demand. But here is the good news. Projected new vehicle inventory shortages means your current vehicle is worth more right now, and no one will pay you more than Sunset Ford. In addition, prices of new Fords currently in the large inventory at Sunset Ford are set. They will not be affected by the strike. Those factors make now an extremely opportune time to exchange your current vehicle for a new Ford and get oil changes for life and warranty protection for life included. A Sunset exclusive. You just get more at Sunset Ford of Sumner. This alert will be repeated.